All right, Callie, this could be it. The Skylander and I are going right into the heart of the lost city of Arcus. I guess what I'm saying is, if I don't come back.
Flynn, I'm following you in the ship, remember?
Attention, Archean robot minions. It is I, your new leader, Emperor Chaos. Rise! Yes, rise! And bear witness to the dawn of my glorious reign!
Okay, that's not good. Better hurry. It's only a matter of time before the Archeans realize you aren't one of them and their defenses kick in.
Rightio. Well, this won't be a problem for the greatest pilot in all of Skylands.
Don't say it! Just hurry. I'll meet you on the other side.
Well, let me see here. This lever looks important. Aha! Alright, so this baby's got a hover mode and a jet mode. How about I switch to jet mode? Okay, Hotshot, I think you're up for handling the steering here. Whoa, those look like trouble. What? They move too? Not fair! Whoa, we better pull this thing into hover mode here. So this doors. There we go. Now hit the other whatchamajig. We'll see. All it took was a little shooting, and we are on our way again. Shifting back into jet mode. Those things will make the copter fly even faster. Hit a few of them in a row, and it's Boom City. Catch my drift. I'd land this sucker, but it doesn't look like this guy wants to let us. Take him out, and I will set her down. Now let's just set her down gently, and... Ah. That is one smooth landing. Okay, see if you can open the big gate, and I'll guard the copter. All right, let's fly! Alrighty, here we go again. Whoa, guess we're landing again.
We need an undead Skylander to unlock this game.
Fear the dark.
Greetings, guest of Arcus. I should warn you that those who enter this undead location never come out. All but one legendary explorer, that is. He lost his famous hat inside, but did not return to retrieve it.
Ambush. Slice and dice.
Bolts and lightning. Oh, yeah! California!
Ambush over.
I'm to die for. Take flight! Ah! Yes!
You happen to see a bathroom in there? Nope? Okay, let's keep moving.
Jackpot! Ah! Ah ha ha! Take flight!
What? Okay, sure. Let's land here. And back to jet mode. Oh, nuts. It's another one of those non-shooty doors. Grab those. Now, let's aim and press the secondary attack button. Fine clearing out of creeps, I must say.
And another smooth landing, I must also say. I'll bet we need another one of those wacky Archean key things, but I don't see one on the platform. You'll have to look around.
All fired up.
Frog Pincher. Archean Duelist.
Yeah! This dragon can't be beat. Never had a doubt.
Since fulfilling my destiny as your unequaled ruler, I have already received a richly deserved robotic upgrade. Ooh, I shine.
Whatever you did in there worked. Nice going.
Welcome, Skylander. I did not expect to see you in the secret tunnels leading to the secret entrance to our secret city. But since you are here, let us play. Wonderful. Though I am not capable of sounding truly excited, I can only assure you that I am.
Archean bomber. Riveter. Armor Jumpy. Chompy Bot 9000. Boom Fiend. Boulder Bowler. Boom Fiend. You lose. Archean Bomber. Inhuman Shield. Boulder Bowler. Riveter. Boom Fiend. Chompy Bot 9000. Armor Jumpy. Boom Fiend. You win. Stone collected.
Well played, Skylander. I suppose it is no secret that you are quite good at this game.
Knew I could do it.
Yes, my beautiful Archean war machines! I am now one of you! And by course, I mean a much, much better version of you.
Hey, who is that guy? All right, it's another door we can shoot. Oh, I was hoping we'd run into one of these. What are these things? They're headed right for us. Shoot them too. Maybe we can steal rockets from those guys who keep popping up. Good work, that giant robot. I don't know what's in here, but sure, check it out.
Yeah! Good to see you again, Skylander. Figured I would take refuge in here. Care to do a little shopping?
Getting stronger. I'm gonna look good.
Ah! Boom! I don't know what's in here, but sure, check it out. Woohoo! All right, that is some fancy flying. More boost power. Now we're talking. Got a boost? Let's use it. Nice going. That's another door we can't shoot, but at least there's not a giant robot in here. Maybe we can steal rockets from those guys who keep popping up. Without a shield, that creep was toast, right?
And I'm sure it's no surprise that I just stuck another perfect landing. Okay, you know the drill. Find a crazy key thingy, and then stick it in a weird panel thing.
Hawk and door! Ra-ba-ba-ba! Success is mine!
For the win. For the win!
It's me again, your ruler. Before you rise up and march across the face of Skylands, crushing all who stand in my way, I have a few decrees.
I'm starting to get a crazy feeling you might actually pull this off.
From now on, all trees will be considered enemies of the state. I, Robo-Chaos, will now put an end to your leafy conspiracy once and for all. Yes, tremble, trees. Tremble like you've never trembled before. Ah!
Well, okay. We gotta be getting close here. I mean, how long can these tunnels be?
Years ago, a group of cave dwellers used to live among the Willigan until they mysteriously disappeared one day. It was discovered that there were a great many secret entrances to their caverns that were later covered up with large boulders, appearing as though someone was trying to keep something from entering the caves. Or exiting.
Listen up!
Okay, another door. Uh-oh, look out! Well, for crying out loud, get a rocket! Hey, maybe you can get some by destroying all those kamikaze. It's time for another landing. Think it'll be perfect?
If you said yes, you are correct, my friend. Boom!
Any last wishes? I foresaw this outcome. Excellent.
Some of my greatness must have rubbed off on you because you've done it again.
Level up.
My power grows.
Hey, I'm not gonna lie, that was smooth. This is just sweet. Boom! Woohoo! All right, that is some fancy flying. Switching to hover mode. You know, those rockets can sure come in handy right now. Wowzers, that was close. You just might be the second best pilot in all of Skylands, and that's the highest compliment I can pay anyone. Let's not forget to use those rockets. Hey, maybe you can get some by destroying all those kamikaze copters.
This has to be the place. Now just work your magic with those keys, and maybe we can open the final gate.
Race for the mace!
Stay cool.
Light core. Level up. Level up.
A noble deed.
Nice. Not sure what that is, but it seems like a good thing.
Ice Ball! Ice Ball! Ice Ball!
Level up.
Great. Another doohickey? Doohickied.
Level up.
Feel the electricity!
Level up.
Oh boy!
Level up.
That's it! The door to Arcus! Let's get moving! These Archeans sure don't like visitors. Let's get moving. This place is coming apart.
We're gonna need to speed things up to get through this tunnel before it collapses. Keep hitting those speedy turbo things. Super chain! Go helicopter, double, boom! And I don't say that lightly. Now we'll just meet up with Callie and plan our next move. But first, let's just tell her how great I was in the tunnels, okay?
I'll spare you the details of how awesome and heroic I was getting us through back there.
What? You've been talking about it for the last 10 minutes.
What's your point?
The last time the Archeans were in power, Skylands was nearly destroyed. Now with Chaos in control, it's only a matter of time before history repeats itself. We have to find him and stop him.
Slice and dice.
Be afraid of the bug!
Hawk and oar. Light core. Slash and burn.
Stay cool.
The motion of the potion.
Deal with the wheel! The beam is supreme!
Light core.
Attention, crew.
Well, hello. Care to do a little shopping? Excellent. Let's just see what items I have for you today.
Alright, so this place must have a central palace or something. My guess is we'll find chaos there. Ready to go look for that creep? Yeah. Probably want to stock up before seeing what's down there, huh? I'd do the same thing myself if I weren't already so stocked.
Welcome back. Ready for another magical upgrade?
Oh, yeah! Rhythm power!
Alright, so this place must have a central palace or something. My guess is we'll find chaos there. Ready to go look for that creep? Aces! This is kind of exciting. It's my first visit to a lost city. Well, I've been lost in cities before, but, well, you get the drift. Let's do this!